A very happy morning, children. Welcome back to a social online class. Children, in our last class, we started a new lesson. Then, what was the name of that lesson, children? Yes, festivals are fun. Children, you all like to celebrate festivals? Yes, because you all have fun no, when we are celebrating festivals with our family. Children, there are many festivals are there, and in our last class we discussed about some festivals like Diwali, Eid, Holi and Christmas. Children, which is the festival of lights? Yes, Diwali is the festival of lights. And you know which is the festival of colors? Yes, Holi is the festival of colors. Children, when will we celebrate Eid? We celebrate Eid after 1 month of fasting. Okay, then you know how they will celebrate Eid. On Eid, people wear new clothes and they go to a mosque to pray. Then they say Eid Mubarak to each other. Okay, then when we will celebrate Christmas, Christmas is celebrated on 25th December and it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay, on that day people decorate their house with Christmas trees and stars and special prayers are held in the church. Okay, then you all like to eat cake, children? Yes, people bake special cakes on Christmas. In today's class also we are going to discuss about some festivals. Guru Purab. Children, Guru Purab is one of the biggest festival of Sikhs. Then you know why they are celebrating this festival? Guru Purab is celebrated to remember the Sikh Gurus. And you know when they will celebrate this festival? It is celebrated in the month of Kartiga on the day of full moon. Okay, then Guru Purab is also known as Guru Nanak Jayanti. Then how do people celebrate Guru Purab, children? People pray in Gurudwaras and they listen to the Guru Granth Sahib. At that day, food is served free at Gurudwaras and this food is called Langar. What is the name of that food, children? Yes, Langar. Pongal. Children, you all will celebrate Pongal? Pongal is a multi-day festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu. You know what is multi-day festival? Because we will celebrate 3 or more days. Okay, then it is celebrated in January. When it will celebrate, children? It is celebrated in January. Then you know how many days do we celebrate Pongal? Yes, the celebration of Pongal starts with Bogi. On that day, what we will do, children? People assemble and light a bonfire to burn the old things at the home. Okay. Then what they will do? Then they wash and clean their house. And the second day is the main day of the Pongal festival. Third day, Matu Pongal. Cows are worshipped in this day. Fourth day is Kanum Pongal. Children, why the Pongal is celebrated? Because they want to thank the sun god and the Lord Indra for helping farmer getting more crops. Then how is Pongal celebrated, children? People decorate their houses and they wear new clothes and they will prepare a sweet dish. You know what is the name of that dish? Yes, that is Pongal. The most important part of the Pongal festival is cooking the Pongal dish. Onam. Onam is harvest festival celebrated in Kerala by Malayalis. Children who will celebrate Onam, Malayalis will celebrate Onam and it is the festival of Kerala. Okay, then you know why Onam is celebrated? Onam is celebrated to honor the kind-hearted king Mahabali who is believed to return to Kerala during this festival. Then you know how do people celebrate Onam? People wear new clothes and they decorate their house with Pookalam. Pookalam means rangoli made of flowers. Then a special feast called Ona Sadhya. What they will prepare, children? They will prepare Ona Sadhya. Children, take page number 57. Let's do the book back exercise. Draw lines to match. First one is Gulal. Second, special cakes. Third, Pongal. fourth one Ona Sadhya, and fifth one Zeven. So I want to match with the festivals. First one is Gulal. When we will prepare Gulal, children, on which festivals? Yes, Holi, Gulal, Holi. Then special cakes. People bake special cakes on Christmas. Then Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Then Ona Sadhya. When we will prepare Ona Sadhya, children? Onam. Then Seven. Seven is a sweet dish prepared on Eid. B. Write the names of these festivals. First one, people decorate their houses with diyas on this festival. Children, when people decorate their houses with diyas, yes, in which festival? Yes, Diwali. Second, this festival is celebrated after Ramzan. Which festival is celebrated after Ramzan? Yes, Eid. Third one, some of us eat gujia on this festival. In which festival we eat gujia, children? Holi. Then fourth one, we remember Sikh gurus on this festival. Okay, in which festival we will remember the Sikh gurus, children? Guru Purabi, celebrated to remember the Sikh gurus. Then fifth one, this festival is celebrated in Kerala. Which festival is celebrated in Kerala, children? Yes, Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Children, let's discuss the fill-ups and question answers. First one, Dash is celebrated to remember Sikh gurus. Which festival is celebrated to remember Sikh gurus? Yes, Guru Purab. Dash is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Which festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, children? Yes, Pongal. Then Dash is celebrated in Kerala. Which festival is celebrated in Kerala? Yes, Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Next, answer the following. How do people celebrate Diwali? Children, how do people celebrate Diwali? People celebrate Diwali by decorate their houses with colorful rangolis, diyas and fairy lights. People wear new clothes and they eat sweets. Second, how is Eid celebrated? On Eid, people wear new clothes and go to a mosque to pray. They greet each other, Eid Mubarak. D. Think and answer. People celebrate this festival in the last week of December. Which festival is this? Children, can you say which festival is this? Yes, it is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. That is the last week of December. Next activity, these children are saying what they do on their favorite festivals. Write the names of the festivals. So children, you want to write the names of the festivals. First one, I light diyas and eat sweets. Can you guess, children? Yes, it is Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. Second one, I decorate the Christmas tree. In which festival we will decorate Christmas tree, children? Yes, Christmas. Third one, I eat seven with my friends. In which festival we will prepare seven? Eid. Then fourth one, I help my parents distribute langar. In which festival we will distribute langar, children? Yes, Guru Purab. Then fifth one, I play with gulal and eat gujia. Okay, in which festival we play with gulal, children? Gulal means colored powder. Yes, it is Holi. Children, what we have learned in this lesson? Yes, we learned about different festivals like Diwali, Eid, Holi, Christmas, Guru Purab, Pongal and Onam. Children, which is the festival of lights? Yes, Diwali is the festival of lights. And which festival is celebrated after Ramzan, children? Yes, Eid is celebrated after Ramzan. And which is the festival of colors? Holi is the festival of colors. Children, when we will celebrate Christmas, Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Then, which festival is celebrated to remember the Sikh Gurus, children? Guru Purab is celebrated to remember the Sikh Gurus. And which festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu in January, children? Yes, Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. And which festival is celebrated in Kerala? Yes, Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Then we discussed how do people celebrate these festivals. So children, read the lesson one or two times and copy the classwork very neatly without any mistakes. And learn the new words, fill-ups and question answers in this lesson. Have a wonderful day, children.